am so excited. Autumn is nearly here. As the days grow shorter and the air turns crisp, nature shifts into its most colorful symphony, and my favorite season, autumn. That magical change, that turning of the leaves, is what inspired this beautiful new crochet pattern by Carrie Jellick, Photoperiodic. Photoperiodism is the scientific word for how the leaves detect that the light is changing during the shifting of the seasons, and that inspired the name of this cowl. And just like the trees transition into all those gorgeous colors, this cowl really captures that moment of transition. And you get to wear it around your neck. What could be better? Made primarily in linen stitch, this design really is a beautiful combination of simplicity and meditation. Each stitch feels like a soft breath, a little invitation to slow down and to really savor this cozy season. I feel like summer is a time when everyone is going, and really trying to squeeze in every last little bit of daylight and warmth. But autumn is a slow breath, a deep release, and an invitation to return to nature and to what truly fills our souls. The crisp air, the crunchy leaves, the mist, the fog. It truly is such a magical time, and all of that was captured so beautifully in this stunning and soothing cowl pattern. The colors, the stitch pattern, and the simplicity, I really feel like all of it is designed to return you to yourself into a peaceful state. And when your cowl is complete, you're gonna hold in your hands not just a cozy accessory, but a little piece of autumn and all that it represents. And the cool thing about this Photoperiodic cowl is it does come in not one, but 3 sizes. We've got a little small one, a medium one, and then a nice larger one. So you can choose whatever you're in the mood for. If you want a quick, satisfying project, or you're in the mood for more of a long, meditative journey, you get to choose. It's shown here in our hand-dyed Expression Fiber Arts Beacon Decay yarn in a palette called Autumnal Hues. It's got this beautiful deep plum, forest green, a rich caramel, and a warm tan color. And in the pattern, you're gonna see that the colors undulate back and forth, back and forth. If you haven't tried our Beacon Decay yet, it is truly a luxurious treat. It's a blend of super soft camel, shimmering mulberry silk, and draping Lyocell. So when you're ready to treat yourself, this is the way to go. You're welcome to hop on over to expressionfiberarts.com to download the pattern and get the yarn. We do release a new pattern every Friday, sometimes more often, and they're usually free for a limited time. So when you see me announce them here, hop on over and download them. And while you're there, be sure to sign up for email and text updates. That's where you're gonna get all the fun announcements about our new colors, coupons, knit-alongs, crochet-alongs, and all that jazz. Now, I would dearly love to show you how easy it is to make this amazing cowl. And stay tuned to the end because I am going to be doing a juicy giveaway that you don't want to miss. I'm doing a super tiny version today. I'm gonna go ahead and chain 16 loosely. You're gonna want to check the pattern for how many you should actually chain. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Here's my 16 chains. Now you do want to grab a little opening stitch marker. I like to place it on the final stitch of my round, so I've gone ahead and put it on that final chain. And we're gonna join in the round and work in the round throughout our project. We're gonna find that first chain that we worked into, and you're gonna see that you have a back loop and a front loop for each of your little chains. We're gonna be alternating how we work into those. So make sure your chain isn't twisted. Otherwise you're not gonna have a cowl, you're gonna have some kind of Mobius thing. We're gonna start by crocheting into this front leg only. Work a single crochet. Jump to your next stitch and work into the back loop only, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet into the front loop. Next stitch, single crochet into the back loop. And all the way around. You're gonna continue repeating that. This is your little establishing round that's gonna get you started. Front, we're going into the back. Going into the front. Like I said, this pattern really forces you to pay attention. I love patterns like this because it gives your brain a little break and you really can't focus on your problems when you're focusing on your stitches. And I think that's the beauty of crafting and creating. it sets your mind to a task that's productive and creative, and you end up with something beautiful in the end. And I think it's so fabulous. Continue repeating that around, and you will have a lot more stitches than I do. Back, so we finished on a back. So when you get down to the final 2 stitches, we're going to work it to the front, and you're going to work a single crochet 2 together. Insert into that next stitch and pull up a loop, and then insert into your final stitch, also into the front, pull up a loop, and when you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. For round number 2, go ahead and remove your stitch marker from the previous round. We don't need that there anymore. And I'm just going to pop it onto the final stitch of this round. That's how I like to do things. Round number 2 is very easy. You're going to find your first single crochet, and you're going to go ahead and single crochet into that. Then chain 1. Then you're going to skip the next stitch, just jump over it, go to the next stitch, and we are working into both the front and back loops this time. And single crochet into that next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, and you're going to continue repeating that around. Skip, single crochet, chain 1, skip, single crochet, chain 1, skip, and just continue repeating. Single crochet, chain 1, just make sure that you are skipping 1 in between. And this is going to be the start of our linen stitch. Skip, and then single crochet. And remember to move your stitch marker up to this new round. For round number 3, we are going to start with a chain 1, and you're going to skip your next stitch, which is a single crochet, and you're going to find your next chain 1 space, and you're going to single crochet into that. This is where things get super duper easy. Then you're just going to chain 1, find your next chain 1 space, and single crochet into that. Chain 1, find your next chain 1 space, and single crochet into that. And then just continue repeating that around. If you can work single crochets and chain 1s, you can work this pattern. Continue repeating that around your cowl until you come back around. Now, I will show you how to change colors. I like to work the final chain 1 or the final pull through of whatever stitch is the final stitch of your round in the new color. You don't have to do this, but we're going to work one more chain 1. Go ahead and grab your new color and do the final pull through, which in this case is a chain 1, with your new color. So you can see we've finished off this old round in the old color, and we are all set up and ready to start the next round in our new color. For round 4 with our new color, we're going to repeat round 2. Super simple. You're going to find the next chain 1 space, and you're going to single crochet into that. Then work a chain 1, find the next chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, and repeat that all the way around, same as you were doing. And this is basically the pattern. It is very simple, it's lovely, it's calming, it's relaxing. Find the next chain 1 space, single crochet into that, and then chain 1, and you just continue on around. Chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and you just continue on around. And when you continue going around, you can already see the linen stitch taking shape. It looks like little V's dipping into the row below. It creates a really beautiful, harmonious look with your colors blending into each other. And it's as simple as that. The bulk of the pattern just consists of single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, repeat around. It's super simple, super meditative like I was telling you. You will have a few decreases scattered throughout the pattern just like you had in round 1, which gives the design a beautiful, subtle, tapered look so it lays beautifully when you wear it. And as I said, I am doing a delicious giveaway today because life is too short not to do giveaways, I say. If you would love to enter to win this amazing autumnal hue set, just make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment the word below that brings so much joy to my soul, autumn. As you crochet this pattern row by row, I really hope that you sink into all the delights of autumn and that you just have an amazing time. Hop on back next week because I have another beautiful new design at the ready for you, and I will see you then. Bye!